Basically, of course, we have improvements in hardware, camera, material, and everything. But the most important thing is that Samsung, for the first time, made a phone that is capable of actually processing AI on demand, with the objective to actually make AI your daily companion. So, how do we do this? We have two different AIs. The first time we have Gemini with Google. We did a partnership, and now Gemini is going to be our assistant. What's the difference with this Gemini compared to any other assistant? For the first time, you can actually you can have interactions with the app. Meaning, right now, if you want to send a message, you have to tell your assistant, please send this message. You have to explain the whole message, and then send it. Or you can ask it to search for something, but you cannot ask to search for something